here is Angella in S2T, and this is my colleague Janice Katongole. Over the past couple of months, Janice, I, and the rest of our team have been participating in the Siena Project Challenge. It's one that seeks to address global issues that we face in the 21st century pertaining to the Sustainable Development Goals. The one that we chose pertains to Sustainable Development Goals 14, 15, and also 13, that's climate action, life on land, and life in water. So she's part of the plastics team, and I'm part of the tree conservation and tree planting team. Today, the message that we bring to you is about, climate change, right? It's one that has been talked about since, 2000 or 2001, since we started this century. It's one that we face, especially in a nation where 72% of our population, is engaged in agriculture, right? So we've seen extreme heat waves. We've seen climate-induced diseases. We've seen warming of our oceans. We've seen an increase in the mineral levels in our waters. We've seen so much. And this is all caused by, human greed. We destroy our forests that hold strong biodiversity, our ecological systems, and most importantly, in Uganda, our heritage. And it's time for a change. Like John Fitzgerald Kennedy said more than 50 years ago, if not us, who? And if not now, when? Only our generation holds the keys to saving our planet, and it is time for a change. We can be change makers. We can change our ways. We can do so much more than forward posts on social media. We can actually go out and, plan. We can do so much more, right? We can be change makers. Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change that you want to see in the world. You can do so much with your life more than just, go to class and study about these issues, but come out and make no change. Only our generation holds these keys. Planting a tree is more than just a formality. Planting a tree is a way of leaving your mark on the world. It's a way of securing your future. It's a way of securing the future of many coming after you, right? In conclusion, like Franklin Roosevelt said, a nation that destroys its soils destroys its soul. Forests are the lungs of our people, giving fresh strength to our people every day. Thank you.
And I am in S2A at this school. The reason why our team partook in this project is because we want to change communities' disposal habits and mindset towards the disposal of plastic policy. Over 300 million tons of plastic are released every year. Do you know how much that's equivalent to? That's equivalent to about 7.8 billion people's weight on this planet. So the weight of everyone on this planet is equivalent to how much plastic is released every year. Did you know that only 12% of this plastic is actually being incinerated and the 9% is being recycled? You know how small that is? That's about 21%. And do you know where the rest of the 79% ends up? Oceans, landfills, dumps, on our entire planet. Over 300 million tons per year. See, scientists say that we have less than 10 years to reduce the effect of our carbon footprint and to keep global warming below 2 degrees Celsius. And future generations might suffer things like death from heat strokes, rising ocean levels due to melting ice, because the ozone layer is dying and the environment is calling out on us to save it. So if people knew how serious this situation is and how little is actually being done all of you would stand beside us and be advocating to everyone to dispose of their plastics, to plant trees, to save our environment and keep global warming below 2 degrees Celsius. Because you know it's not that hard to throw your plastic bottle into the dustbin in class and not just leave it for housework team. You know that it's not that hard to dispose of your plastic in a responsible manner and not just leave it lying everywhere to choke the living organisms that live all around us. So basically what we're trying to say is that you can use that bag, that plastic bag, at least twice. Come on. Just say, don't be drastic. Say no to non-biodegradable plastic because plastic doesn't litter, we do.